tonight, we're getting some insight on a judge's decision to throw an attorney in jail. It's the same judge who's been in the spotlight before for what many have considered an unreasonable stance on minors in possession of alcohol. Some say this time the judge definitely went too far.
I think the finding was inappropriate, and I think we can deal with that on appeal.
Attorney Scott Millard sat in a different chair in this courtroom after entering in shackles. This time, appealing what a different judge ruled. Attorney Millard needed an attorney himself.
What Mr. Millard did is what we expect of an attorney when representing a client. I don't think he did anything that was disrespectful to the court or contumacious.
Millard says Hudsonville District Court Judge Kenneth Post had him thrown in jail for contempt of court. Millard is representing a minor charged with possession of alcohol. He ordered his client not to answer Judge Kenneth Post's questions, citing his client's Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Millard says Judge Kenneth Post considered that contempt of court.
The initial question was whether my client would be able to take a drug test, and my client elected to stand moot to that question.
It's pretty elementary, and I think every elementary school kid knows that the Fifth Amendment says you do not have to incriminate yourself.
We went to Kurt Benson, professor at Cooley Law School, for some perspective. Benson says he's never known any attorney held in contempt of court, considering that's a serious offense.
The judge, like I said, strangely throws a lawyer in jail for doing exactly what the lawyer is expected to do. You tell me whether you think that's an abuse of power. The judge has that power. He has the power, but whether he exercised that power judiciously.
That may be up to the Judicial Tenure Commission to decide. 24-Hour News 8's Leon Hendricks caught up to Judge Kenneth Post leaving work.
Judge, can we talk to you a second?
The judge wouldn't comment.
I'm sorry, but throwing somebody in jail for doing their job and doing it correctly strikes me as wrong.
Now, Professor Benson says all too often attorneys in the same situation as Millard let their clients answer the judge's question just to avoid the hassle.